Welcome to Halloween Decor to DIY for. Let's make some more concrete skulls.
Okay, this episode we're going to try Sakrete again. Born concrete Sakrete. I believe this is fiber reinforced, so this is, it says crack resistant. Oh, I was thinking it was high strength, but crack resistant with fiberglass. Fiber reinforced. I don't know if it's fiberglass or different kind of fiber. So we'll pour some more skulls. I got an additional one that I kind of worked on. I'll spare you the details of mixing it up this time because you kind of get that. Alright, so it's been a couple days. These have been drying. This is the Sakrete. So the Sakrete reinforced fiber. When I noticed when I was mixing it up, you can see some fiber in there. If you don't get it too wet, it's more noticeable. Alright, let's start with this guy. Get part of the eyeball. It's kind of funny. Came out of there clean enough. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. Alright, who wants to be next? So this guy, a couple of them I spray painted. I did use mold release. I spray painted the inside. Spray painted the inside of this one black. So, as I figured, it would be a good mold release and some of the paint would stick to the skull, which is totally cool. A little black on there, and I'm sure scrape right off. You can take some Scotch-Brite, buff that off, across the teeth, across the nose, across the eyes, and leave the black in the recessed areas. Man, I like that idea. I'm gonna do that some more. But that's cool. I can spray painted the inside of that mold too. I think that looks cool. Some black on there. Okay, well, there you go. Sakrete with fiber. I liked using the paint as a mold release. That seemed to work out really well, but sometimes the fiber, I don't know if it's any better or any worse on the surface. leaving the surface smooth. Then a quick dry Sakrete or the Quikrete probably comes out the same. Alright, now go do it yourself. So I add more water, of course, to get down in there. That can't be good for the lungs.